Hello guys, Blues Clues and Minions fan 464 here, about to do an unboxing video right here because it is something very special. Well, special, but kind of amazing that I just had to get my hands on. So we'll tear it open and show it. Oh, it must be really packaged up. Yep, this is it. Gonna show it in 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. It's a Blu-ray of the complete series of Little Bill. See, I got this off of a website called Posh. Hold on, let me check the website again. Poshmark. I think it's some sort of market or something. I mean, I already got a complete series of the Wacky Adventures of Ronald McDonald, but now I got a complete series of Little Bill. And I think this might be a converted onto a disc. And I'm not sure if this has the entire series of Little Bill on this disc. You know, because according to Wikipedia, some information I found, the show lasted from 1999 to 2004. So, I think so. Oh, and take a good look at the disc. It's really nice. So yeah, this could be converted. So, yeah. So anyway, that's the unboxing video. I'm gonna just check this Blu-ray off screen, and yeah. So thank you for watching this unboxing video, and I will see you soon. Bye.